Has the market re-rated for a base case of a trade war?
We're getting closer to it. I think people are still looking at this June 28th, June 29th meeting at the G20, and there's that hope that there's going to be some thawing then. But increasingly, it's looking like things are going to have to get worse before they get better. And the chances of tariffs on all Chinese goods, not just that, but an increasing of this tech war is getting priced into markets.
So give us an over and under. I mean, assume something miraculous happens on June 28th. How far up does it go? On the other hand, if it really continues for an indefinite future, how far down does it go?
Yeah, so I think the issue here is that there's damage being done to the global economy, whatever happens, right? This is affecting, the uncertainty is going to affect business confidence, business sentiment. We saw that in the PMIs overnight. And so even if we get a sudden trade deal, it's unlikely that the tariffs are going to be all removed. And the ongoing uncertainty, then President Trump may look at Europe and auto tariffs. And so the chances of us returning to the all-time highs quickly in markets are pretty low at this point.
And Goldman Sachs sort of talking about how their base case might be changing. They said the implementation of further tariffs could actually become their base case, saying that while we still think an agreement is more likely than not, it has become a close call. So let's say that it tips the other direction. What stocks, what sectors are sort of protected that's not going to just be the 10-year yield?
Yeah, so obviously the defensives will be the place to be. Obviously, utilities have done very well over the last year or so, but there's more room for them to perform if we head in this direction. I mean, if we get an escalation of the trade war and tariffs on all Chinese goods, the Fed, which doesn't want to cut, may be forced to. And in that case, all the bond proxies are going to rally, utilities and consumer staples, REITs and the like.